Hey friends, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do yet another interesting worksheet of days of the weeks. So let's get started. So this is the first worksheet where the kid need to complete the days according to the vowels. So they need to put the vowels in each of the day. There is vowels missing in it. So they have to write the vowels in each of the days and complete the day's name. Now this is the second worksheet where I have given some of the days and I have not completed the sequence. So the kid will write the what day comes after what. That means which day comes next after that day. Let's suppose Tuesday, Wednesday, then after Wednesday what comes next? Thursday. Same way Monday, Tuesday, after Tuesday what comes next? Wednesday. So the kid need to complete the sequence of that. It's random way so they will understand the concept what comes next. Now let's move on to the third worksheet where I have given the matching worksheet for the kids for days of the week. Here the kid need to find the sequence of the days of the week. That means they have to find okay the Monday comes first, so they have to match the Monday with the first number. Same way second comes the Tuesday, third comes the Wednesday. So they have to match according to the sequence. Now this is the fourth worksheet where I have given word puzzles of days of the week where the kid need to find all the days inside the puzzles and they have to circle them. Moreover, I have also included the concept of today, tomorrow and yesterday where the kid need to understand the concept of today. If today is Monday, so tomorrow will be which day? So they will understand okay tomorrow will be Tuesday. Same way if yesterday was Sunday, so today will be Monday. So they have to understand the concept and it will be very easy if they know the sequence of the days of the weeks. Now this is the fifth worksheet where I have given an unscrambled words. That means I have jumbled all the words and the letter of the days of the weeks here and there and the kid need to solve it. Now this is the sixth worksheet of days of the weeks where the kid need to write the missing days. That means if there is Sunday and there is space given and then there is Tuesday. So the kid will understand okay Sunday the Monday will come next. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. This is the way they have to find the missing days and they have to complete the worksheet. Now the last worksheet of the days of the weeks is a maze of days where the kid need to start from one point and as per the sequence of the days they have to complete the maze and go to the ending point. And here they have to also write all the days in an order and complete the worksheet. Now that's all for today's friends. I hope it will be helpful for your kid. If you like my video, do like my video and subscribe to my channel for further videos. And if you have any comment, do comment me in the comment box. Thank you.